Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chinese in Minutes. Today, we're learning the Chinese character ge. Ge is one of those Chinese characters that appears in many everyday words, but its meaning changes slightly depending on the context. At its core, ge refers to a pattern, standard, style, form, or category. It gives the idea that something follows a particular structure or has a recognizable way of being. Because of this, you'll find ge in words related to personality, style, prices, qualifications, formats, tables, and many other everyday concepts. Once you understand the logic behind ge, you'll start recognizing dozens of Chinese words without memorizing them one by one. Let's break it down together.
Our first word is 性格, which means personality. The first character, 性, means nature or natural qualities. The second character, 格, refers to a pattern or characteristic framework. Together, 性格 literally means the pattern of a person's nature, which naturally becomes personality. For example, 她的性格很开朗. She has a very cheerful personality. Think of every person as having a unique inner pattern. That invisible pattern is what makes each personality different.
Our second word is 风格, meaning style. The character 风 originally means wind, but it can also describe a distinctive manner or style. Combined with 格, which represents a pattern or characteristic form, 风格 refers to someone's unique style or way of expressing themselves. For example, 我很喜欢他的设计风格. I really like his design style. Just as the wind has its own feeling, every artist, writer, or designer has a style that people immediately recognize.
Next is 品格, meaning moral character or integrity. The character 品 refers to quality or moral qualities, while 格 represents a person's standard or character. Together, 品格 literally means the standard of a person's qualities, which we understand as someone's moral character. For example, 他是一个品格高尚的人. He is a person of noble character. A simple way to remember this word is to think that good qualities build strong character. Our fourth word is 合格, meaning qualified or meeting the required standard. The character 合 means to fit, to match, or to meet. Combined with 格, meaning standard, 合格 literally means to match the standard. For example, 这个产品已经合格了. This product meets the required standard. Imagine checking every item on a quality inspection list. If everything matches the required standard, it's 合格. Next is 及格, which means to pass an exam. The character 及 means to reach or to attain. Together with 格, meaning standard, the word literally means to reach the required standard. For example, 这次考试我终于及格了. I finally passed the exam this time. Picture yourself running toward a finish line. The moment you reach the passing line, you've 及格. Our sixth word is 价格, meaning price. The character 价 means price or value, while 格 refers to a standard or level. Together, 价格 literally means the standard level of value, or simply price. For example, 这件衣服的价格有点高. The price of this piece of clothing is a little high. Imagine products arranged on shelves according to different price levels. Each level represents a different 价格. Next is 格式, meaning format. The character 格 represents a pattern or framework, while 式 means form, style, or method, Together, they describe the organized form that something follows. For example, 请把文件改成 PDF 格式. Please change the document to PDF format. Think about filling out a document. Every document follows a certain layout, and that layout is its 格式. Our eighth word is 表格, meaning form or table. The character 表 means a chart, list, or table, and 格 refers to the small grids or boxes that organize information. Together, 表格 is a form or table used to record information. For example, 请先填写这个表格. Please fill out this form first. Imagine a registration form filled with rows and columns. Those small boxes create a 表格. Next is 格子, meaning grid, square, checkered pattern, or compartment. Here, 格 keeps its original meaning of a grid or square, while 子 is a common noun suffix. Together, 格子 refers to individual squares or small compartments. For example, 这件衬衫是格子的. This shirt has a checkered pattern. Think of graph paper filled with hundreds of tiny squares. Every little square is a 格子. Our final word is 格外, meaning especially or particularly. The character 格 refers to the usual standard or level, while 外 means outside or beyond. Literally, the word means beyond the usual level. For example, 今天格外冷. It's especially cold today. Imagine stepping outside what's considered normal. Once you go beyond the usual level, something becomes 格外, meaning especially or exceptionally so.